Hello and welcome. Today in this video we are going to show you how to create a free AWS Amazon Web Services account. Amazon Web Services is one of the leading cloud provider. It is getting very famous. It has a very big market share. Learning the skills that Amazon offers, the tools and technologies uh, can help you a lot in your career if you're interested. There are hundreds and hundreds of services that Amazon offers. You can create this free account and you can try those services out. A lot of services are free, but if Amazon is going to charge you for any service, it will tell you in advance. But pretty much all the services that you need initially to get yourself familiar with Amazon Web Services ecosystem, mechanism, and cloud computing and everything, those services are free. You will get certain credits for certain services as well. We will talk about it in detail in next few videos. But in this video, I'm keeping it short, keeping it simple. All I want to do in this video is I want to create my first AWS account for free. I will have to provide my name and credit card information. So I'm going to type in my email address first. What I've done in previous screens, I clicked on create free account, and now I'm typing my email address and my AWS account password. I have to supply an AWS account name as well. It should be unique, so I'm supplying the name over here. You can see that on the left side it is showing me on the screen that 12 months of services free to your access. I get it with this. So this is my account name. Make sure that you select personal over here on this screen because we are creating free personal account, not a professional account. Now in this screen I have to type in my phone number and my address, and in the screen after that I have to type in my credit card information. I cannot show it during recording of this video, so I'm going to pause the video over here. I will type in my address information and phone number and my credit card information, and I will restart the recording once I'm done with that, and I'll show you what screen do you see after that. So I'm going to start typing the information, and as you can see in this screen, I've already typed my personal information, my phone number, my credit card, and now I see this screen over here. Amazon is asking me which plan I want to choose. Obviously I'm going to choose the free plan because I'm just want to try different Amazon services. I'm going to click on free. You can see different plans. So I click on free. You can see over here I can see and watch some videos if I want to. Amazon have like AWS with a 10-minute tutorial. It will give you, when you click on the link, it will give you information about, sort of like a walkthrough of what you can do in Amazon console. I'm gonna skip that and I will click on sign into the console. So when you create an Amazon account, the very first account that it creates to access Amazon Web Services is a root user. Remember to make sure to protect your root user account because root user account has access to everything. So it is a best practice that you keep the root user account to yourself or to only the people you trust. You can later on create multiple accounts inside your Amazon Web Console and provide people access to it. But root user, you should keep it to yourself, keep it secure because root user can do anything. I'm going to type my root user email address, and then in the next screen I'm going to type the password for that root user. I have done that. Now I am successfully logged into management console of AWS, Amazon Web Services. You can see my account name on the right top, the region, which is Ohio. I have so many services available that I can create and use and try out and play with. In the next videos, I'll show you which different services, how easy to create them, how they integrate with each other, how they communicate, and what purposes they are used for. There is help available as well. You can see learn to build. If I click on for example databases, it has videos and guides to show me how I can migrate or create new databases. There are tutorials, there are labs, there are so many material available on Amazon site to learn about different services and products Amazon offers as part of Amazon Web Services. We are going to keep this video until here, just for the account creation. I'm not going to talk about different services right now. Just to give you an overview, we have all these different services available which we can create and use. In the next few videos, we are going to talk about individual services. One more thing you have to remember and make sure that you select proper region that you are in. So on the right top of the screen, you can see that right now my region is selected as Ohio. Because I'm on the east side, I try to keep my region on the eastern side. So either I can keep the default, which is Ohio, or I can choose the US East, which is North Virginia. I can choose that as well. Normally I keep either one of them. Just remember that certain services only are available in certain regions, so it is possible that the region you select, service that you're trying to use, that may not be available in that region. And certain services, when they communicate with each other, supposed to be in the same region. These are the different things we will talk about in future videos. I have selected the North Virginia region just to show you how easy it is to change the region in here. And you may run into situations where you do not see certain services when you log in, only because they are actually in a different region. So just make sure that you select proper region. We're going to keep this video until here. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching.